welcome to Mega Reviews, and I am Mega. I am going to give the review regarding the products which you have been searching for through the YouTube. And let's get into the product review, that is a Squeezeland. It is a page which you are going to see by clicking on the link which is given in the description. So here is a short review regarding the product, and next these are the details which I am going to give regarding my premium bonuses. So I'm going to give you that easy traffic blueprint access, the number list exit access, free traffic mastery, formula 10k, get 80% off on Squeezeland products, and my personal refund policy, that is for any reason if vendor rejects to give refund, then I will personally refund your money within 24 hours. So very simple. That let's Maggie, and let's get sign up. And it is very easy. Let's get into the product, and I will show that every bonus by opening the bonus pages along with dashboards. So don't skip the video and see the video till the end. Squeezeland, here is a sales page regarding the Squeezeland. Actually this product which is very useful, that to create a beautiful landing pages, and which are already given, and the video courses are also available in this product. That is where you can create a beautiful landing pages and grab the email list, which is very easy. And next, by this you can retarget the people by your products and get so many sales, so which makes very easy to our business. We have know that. So the landing pages are very useful for that. And here create email capture landing pages, easy to edit and customize templates, build your email list made easy, embed squeeze pages inside any website as an in-frame. So you can see that it is a biggest advantage. So we know that every affiliate who desperately want a landing page which are very attractive and grab the email list. So here is a solution, that is a Squeezeland. And next, it is saying that stop wasting money regarding lead generation products, and here is a solution, that is a Squeezeland review and bonus. So no hold barrier review, exposure to truth. Yeah. So next, presenting the lead Squeezeland, the formula for creating beautiful email landing pages for super rapid time, and from just a few top secret grab emails and make sales using email list building strategies. As I have already told this itself. Of course, most lead generation guides are no help. You need an edge if you plan on getting real results, and that is where the unique Squeezeland templates packages comes in. So you can see so many templates regarding this product, and you can see the landing pages. So here is a cover page of that. So here are all the details. I know how you feel. So this all the landing page. Here is a sales page, we can see you, which you can see. So here are two products, those are one basic and another one is colorful. So I suggest you go with a basic product where you will know that the importance of the product, and then you will see that what is it and what is all. And next, let's get into the bonus page which I have promised to give you. So let's see. After buying the product, you are going to see the page like this. So here are all the bonus I am going to give you for free. So let's open these. What is there in it? So here is easy profit traffic blueprint. So you can see this page. It is absolutely free. You are going to get a free training and all. See, all it is very free for you. So I'm giving this only for you who are going to buy this product. And next, the number secret traffic. So here is complete training which you're going to get regarding the ads, funnels, building an email list, bonus traffic serves. Yeah. Next, profit rocket. Here is a dashboard of the Profit Rocket. Here you are going to learn what is Profit Rocket, and next applying Pinterest training, what is Pinterest and how to earn by that, and next making money with Pinterest. These are all the video courses you are going to get. And next the free bonuses, that is you are going to learn about the FB ads, solo ads, Bing ads. And next special announcer bonus, that is the free traffic, how to earn through the free traffic, and here all. Next Exiters, it is also the product in which you are going to learn more and more. So you can see this, you're going to get these all. Free traffic mastery, it is also the product in which you can see so many courses. So yeah, just log in. Yeah. Oh, hmm? Yeah. Why it is playing with me? Yeah. Here is a course, that is a free traffic mastery introduction, building a profitable business. Get automated profit funnels, get your traffic machine. Here are all you're going to learn from the scratch. So here are all the bonuses and all. And next, so here all the products I'm going to give you for free. So let's can't wait for this. Go and buy the product from the link which is given in the description, and you're going to get benefits which are 10 times than your struggle from this product, that is creating a landing pages and going to retarget the people by their emails. So I wish you a very good luck. Let's get into it and have a good day. Thank you.